Hi, y'all. My name is Luke Miller, and I am a first year grad student at the University of Denver and a peer leader in the LEP. Today, I'm going to just run through about how to use Accudemia, which is the tutoring service that we use at the LEP, and so you can use it to get support on tutoring assignments, especially like writing and maybe reading comprehension help. They will help you through with that, especially if you are having issues assignments. I personally use it as a way to like hold myself accountable when I'm studying, and yeah, but it really is up to you how you use it, and so use it in a way that helps you succeed in DU. So first off, we're going to show you how to access it for the first time. Once you do, I highly recommend you bookmark it. So first, you go to Accudemia, you search up Accudemia, which is ACCU, and it should be the first result. Click it, and this shows tutoring appointments. It shows like your upcoming appointments right here, and it shows any messages the tutor might send you. Please check here if tutor isn't there or you're having issues. Often tutors will send messages to students that way. Um, so to create a new appointment, you go to create new, uh, and you can choose either in person or online. We're going to generally uh, and in person will be in the LEP building, or if you communicate with your tutor at the library or another place. Then you go to your current classes, and so these are you'll have specific tutors for that subject area, and then just generic reading comprehension and writing help. So then we're going to go click writing help. And so here are the available tutors for the next week or so. You can see you can click any time right here. These are available times for tutors. If you want a specific tutor, this is any available tutor. And if you want a specific tutor, you click this drop down menu. And you click this drop down menu. Right here is how you click how many hours. It can be from anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. And so we're just going to make an appointment for 2 p.m. here with Jess. Um, and yeah, doing Jess on this Saturday. We're going to confirm it. And this is important. You can also set it to reoccur. So this will mean it will happen every week. And this is good if you want to set a reoccurring schedule. You can't see it here since it's the end of the quarter, but it will reoccur every week until the end of the quarter. And this can be really helpful if you want to set some regular time in the study. Then we're going to cancel that. We are going to confirm. And now the appointment is confirmed. And you can create another appointment here and go back to the appointment list. So you can see the appointment I just made, which is 60 minutes, is right here. Here are the other tutors. You can also check their bios right here. And one additional trick I wanted to briefly show you is how to set it up in your calendar. So what you do here is go to appointment.ics, click here, and click here, and click add to calendar. Now add it in your calendar, and you can use it. And it'll show up, and you can set reminders for it as normal. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this look at how to use Accudemia, and I hope this helps.